Have you ever imagined that why it is not possible to light an LED bulb with DC or just a battery? This is because that LED bulb always contains a rectifier circuit which converts that alternating current to direct current, and whenever we will connect that battery also, that won't work because that DOB is also designed for this purpose only. But what if we connect another type of DOB of 12 volts and make our own circuit? Yeah, it is possible, guys. Hare Krishna. DOB lights are also present in varieties and few of them work on 220 volt AC also, but the one which I have bought today works directly on 12 volt DC and it gives an output of 9 watts, which is favorable for our today's video. And these are all the components which we are going to require in this video. The reason for which I chose this motor driver is that it has two ports here and they are used for controlling the voltage and the current. At first I destroyed 2 to 3 bulbs, but none of them worked perfectly as it doesn't have the enough space for setting up the battery and the circuit board. But thanks to my aunt who gave me this LED bulb, and it was also very easy to dismantle this one. Actually it's an inverter bulb, that's why it has a separate place for putting up the batteries also, and this is the thing which I liked here, because here we can insert as many as batteries that we want. And yeah, it is spacious. So let's take out its previous circuit and put our own circuit here. Here I've connected all the cells into series, and this is the work for which my mom will definitely scold me. After connecting all the cells in series, we'll get 12.6 volts or just 25.2 watts. Just hold this metal cap with a plier very gently and then without giving much pressure turn it around, and then it will easily come out. Here I am making one hole for my switch. To reduce the risk of short circuit, I am also adding here 4007 diode. And then we'll connect the DC female port in our input section. And by using my multimeter over here, I'm adjusting my output voltage so that my batteries won't explode. And in my output section, I'm adding my series of cells which I had created before, and so that my cells will get charged using this module. And as you can see, our cheap battery pack has started to charge. According to my calculations, this DOB light works on 0.33 amps. That's why I'm adding 3 of them so that we'll get a better light. After this, we'll connect 3 DOP plates followed by a switch. And as you can see, it is working very perfectly. Now it's time to paste all our LED boards. And finally guys, our 25-watt rechargeable bulb is ready now. Yeah, this is without the diffuser. After this I'll add the diffuser. And so here are the results. Yeah, it's impossible to capture all the light on my cheap camera, but for you I'm reducing the brightness of my video. So here is our bulb guys, and here is the switch which I have added, and here is the charging port. So as you can see, we can charge it easily. For charging this, you need to use an adapter of 12 volts and 2 amps. And now it has started to charge guys, and then also we can use this bulb on its full charge. So I hope you really liked this video. Just share with your friends and comment down your opinions on this video, and I'll be back with more interesting topics after this. And this was a short time pass guys for this damaged bulb. And subscribe to my YouTube channel Hare Krishna.